Now we are about to continue with direct and indirect speech statements. Already we have seen rules to change from direct to indirect speech. Let's have a small recall. In reporting verb, if you have said to, surely there will be a listener. So we have to change said to as told. If you have simply said, there won't be any listener, so we can keep said as it is. Then after listener or after reporting verb, we have to add conjunction that. In the sentence, whatever may be the tense, we have to change it as past form. For example, if you have verb am or, we have to change as was or were. If you have or has, we have to change as had. If you have any modal auxiliaries such as can, shall, will, we can change as could, should, would, and so on. If you have any action verbs, we have to change as past. For example, write, we can change as wrote. If we have wrote, we can change as had written. There would be some words which denote time and place. We have to change that too. For example, now changes as then, here, there, this, that, these, those, and so on. We have also seen inside quotation when the sentences started with pronouns. How to change that also. When it is in first person, how to change second, third person, everything we have seen. In this class, we are going to see if the pronouns comes in the place of object, how to change. See the first sentence. Karthi said, my mother scolded me. Here, my mother is subject, scolded is verb, me is object. So, if a pronoun is an object place, how to change, that only we are going to see in today's lesson. If the object pronoun is in first person, it changes according to the speaker. The first example is related to this rule. Karthi said, my mother scolded me. Me is first person pronoun. Karthi, we can write as it is. As there is no listener, we can keep said also as it is. Then we have to add the conjunction that. The sentence started with my mother. So it is Karthi's mother. So we have to change as his mother. Scolded, it is past tense. So we have to write as had plus past participle. Had scolded. Me, it is first person pronoun, object pronoun. So it refers to speaker. Speaker is a male. So we have to change as him. If it is a female, we can change as her. See the next one. The girls said, we are happy with our results. The girls, we can write as it is. Said, as there is no listener, we can keep said as it is. Conjunction that. We refers to the girls, so we have changed as they, or we have to change as were happy with. Our results refers to or it is first person plural pronoun, so it refers to the girls, so we have to write as their friends. See the third one. I said I submitted our notebooks. In the first two examples, the speaker is a third person. See here, in the third example, I, the speaker is also first person. Inside the sentence, if you have first person pronoun and the speaker is also first person, then it remains unchanged. I said that. I, as it is the first person, no need to change. I submitted, changed as had submitted, our notebooks. Instead of our notebooks, if the sentence is I said I submitted my notebook, it also remains as it is. I said that I had submitted my notebooks. If the object pronoun is in second person, it changes according to the listener. First person object pronouns are me and are. Second person object pronouns are your and you. See the following example. She said to me, I like your story. So inside the quotation in the sentence, your is pronoun, object pronoun, and it is second person object pronoun. See how to change in indirect speech. She said to changes as told. Me. Then we can add the conjunction that. I. It refers to speaker. So we have to change as she. Like changes as let. Your refers to listener. Listener is me. So we can change as my. Your story changes as my story. Instead of me, if the listener is him, we can change as his story. If the listener is her, we can change as her story. See the next one. He said to them, you have completed your job. He said to changes as told them. Then we can add the conjunction that. You, it refers to listener. So they have completed changes as had completed. Your, it refers to listener. So them changes as their job. Your job changes as their job. See the next example. David said to Julie, I want your book to copy. David said to changes as told Julie. Then we can add the conjunction that. I refers to speaker. As he is a male, we can write as he. Want changes as wanted. Your book. So it refers to the listener Julie. So we can write as her book. Her book to copy. Ram said to his sister, I bought a book for you. Ram said to changes as told his sister. Then we can add the conjunction that. I refers to speaker Ram. As he is a male, we can write he. Bought changes as had bought a book for. You refers to listener, his sister. Sister is a female. So we can write her. We can change you as her. Then if the object pronoun is in third person, it won't take any change. See the next example. He said, I like her song. He said that. I refers to he. So we can change as he. Like changes as liked. Her, it is third person pronoun. Him, her, its, theirs, their. These are all third person pronouns. So her, it won't take any change. Her song, we can write as it is. See the next example, which is in right side. He said it is their house. He said that it was their house. Their, it is third person object pronoun. So it won't take any change. Some sentences, there won't be any listener, but it needs. See the following one. He said, I need your help now. Inside the sentence, we have your help. Second person object pronoun. If you have second person object pronoun, it refers to listener. But in the sentence, there is no listener. In this case, we have to take ourselves as the listener. If it needs a singular listener, we can take me as listener. If it needs a plural one, we can take us. So in the first sentence, in indirect speech, we have to change us. He said that. It refers to speaker. So he, need changes as needed. Your help. There is no listener. So we have to imagine me. So my help. Now changes as then. Then is missing there. Actually now changes as then. See the second one. The teacher said, I have corrected your test papers. So your test papers. Here we need a plural one. So we have to take us as listener. US as listener. The teacher said that. I refers to teacher. So we can write the teacher as it is, or it can be a male or female. So we can write as he or she. She. I have written as she. She. Have corrected changes as had corrected. Your test papers. As it refers to us, we have to change as our. O-U-R. Our test papers. In the examples we have seen so far, the reporting verb is said. In some of the sentences, the reporting verb may be says or say. If the reporting verb is in present form, such as says or say, then the tense inside the sentence should be the same. The tense should not be changed. If there is said, we would change the tense into past form. If the reporting verb is says, we should not change the tense. See the sentence. It may be a little bit clear for you. She says, I'm happy now. She says, we can write as it is, as there is no listener. If there is listener, we can change as tells. Then we have added the conjunction that. Then in the quotation, the subject is I. It refers to the speaker, she. So we have changed as she. I changes as she. Then we have to change the verb am as is. In the direct speech, the subject is I. So nearby that, they have used the verb am. But in indirect speech, we have changed the subject as she. So nearby she, only is suitable. See, the tense remains unchanged. Am is also present form of verb. Is also present form of verb. So tense should not be changed, but the verb can be changed according to the subject. She, yes. Then happy, now changes as then. See the second example. He says she sang a song for a movie. He says that. She, as it is the third person, there is no change. So we can write as it is. She sang. It is past form of verb. Past form of verb, it is same for all subject. So it won't take any change. She sang a song for a movie. See the next one. Raji says, I shall visit London. Nearby I and we only, we can use shall. See indirect speech. Raji says that. I refers to Raji, so we have written she. The nearby she only, will is suitable. So she will visit London, but the tense is same. Shall visit is simple future. Will visit is also simple future. So tense should not be changed, but the verb can be changed according to the subject. See the last one. They say we like ice cream. They say, then we have added the conjunction that. We refers to they. So we have to change this they. Like. For plural subject, like is the main verb we have to use. So here for they also like is correct. They like ice cream. Already we have seen that in direct speech inside the quotation, if the sentence is in universal truth or historical event or proverb or something of scientific truth, it remains unchanged. Remember that also. Then in the reporting verb is says or say. If it is in present form, then also the tense remains the same.